Good evening, my dear student. On the behalf of KTCM College Nasik and Department of Chemistry of this college, I am Dr. S.R. Labde welcomes you to MSc Second Analytical Chemistry class. Student, first upon I take an opportunity to congratulate you on your academic success obtained at MSc first year and your admission to MSc second year Analytical Chemistry class. Student, in this academic year, I will teach you electrochemical methods of analysis. From this academic year, Savitribai Phule Pune University, Pune implemented choice-based credit system for MSc second year Analytical Chemistry course. Therefore, here the course which is studied here, that is the CCTP number 7, means core compulsory theory paper 7. Now this theory paper consisting of a electrochemical and thermal methods of analysis. Out of this total course carries 4 credit, and we have to study this course by using 48 lectures and 12 tutorials. Tutorials are for continuous internal assessment. 4 credit course means this course carries 100 marks. Out of that, 30 marks, evaluation of 30 marks will be done by college or department on the basis of continuous internal assessment, and evaluation of 70 marks will be done by university via conducting a theory examination of this course. Therefore, the section first of this course is the electrochemical methods of analysis, and this is a 2 credit course, 2 credit, and total 24 lectures and 6 tutorials are allotted to this course. For this section, 50 marks as evaluation by college and 35 marks by evaluation of university. Therefore, here each section carries, here section first is 2 credit course, and here 24 lectures and 6 tutorials are allotted for study of this course. Student, before starting the study of this course, we will discuss the number of techniques which are given in this course. Now here, in this technique, in this course, the electrochemical techniques are included for study. Now here, in order to discuss different electrochemical technique, we have to first discuss what are the chemical technique and how does those are useful for qualitative and quantitative chemical analysis. Student, as you are the analytical chemistry student, you must know analytical chemistry. Analytical chemistry is a science, chemistry is a science of determination of composition of materials via qualitative and quantitative analysis. Quantitative chemical analysis. Qualitative chemical analysis and quantitative chemical analysis are the two important steps of chemical analysis. In qualitative chemical analysis, we can identify the different components present in the sample, and in quantitative chemical analysis, we can estimate the amount of each component present in the sample. Therefore, here chemical analysis is the resolution of sample into its proximate or ultimate parts and identification and estimation of each proximate part. Therefore, in chemical analysis, identification, that is qualitative chemical analysis, and estimation means quantitative chemical analysis is carried out. This quantitative chemical analysis is carried out by using specific analytical technique. And what is that analytical technique that we discuss here? Therefore, analytical technique, in analytical chemistry, analytical technique is the fundamental scientific phenomenon which is proved good for obtaining information about the sample. Analytical technique is a fundamental scientific phenomenon that proved to be good for obtaining the information about the sample. Now, you know spectrophotometry is an analytical technique. By this spectrophotometry, we can identify and estimate the sample component. By spectrophotometry, we can carry out the identification of sample component by recording UV visible absorption spectrum of the material. This absorption spectrum is the identity or signature of that compound, and therefore we can identify that material from its absorption or emission spectra. Similarly, here we can determine or we can carry out the quantitative analysis of that particular substance by measuring its absorbance and the absorbance of standard solution, and for quantitative purposes the absorbance of both solution is recorded, and that is compared for quantitative analysis. Along with this analytical technique, there is another term that is used in analytical chemistry that is called as analytical method. Analytical method is another term. An analytical method is the specific application of the analytical technique to solve an analytical problem. That means here UV visible spectrophotometry is an analytical technique, and if we use that analytical technique for identification and estimation of aspirin, then it will be analytical method. That is a specific application of that technique to solve the analytical problem. Here we have to identify and estimate the aspirin, and that we carried out by using this analytical technique. Two more terms are also associated with the chemical analysis is a analytical procedure. Analytical procedure is the instructions given to the analyst to carry out an analytical method. What is analytical procedure? Analytical procedure is the written instructions given to chemist or analyst to carry out an analytical method. With analytical procedure, there is again another term called as analytical protocol. Analytical protocol is the more specific instructions given to analyst or chemist to carry out an analytical method. Now here analytical protocol, that is a specific instructions given to analyst to carry out the analytical method, and here analytical protocol is worldwide approved, and therefore here whatever the analysis carried out by using a analytical protocol, that is considered for qualitative and quantitative analysis. That means we confirm particular material if we use the analytical protocol for its analysis.